Enesgy Lease Manager enables commercial property managers to access data, maps, and documents all in one system. As a cloud-based subscription system, Enesgy can be accessed anywhere, at any time, from any device. Enesgy Lease Manager runs on a powerful database that handles all aspects of leases, such as reporting or alerts, alleviating the dependency on a single person or a single spreadsheet. A mapping system is a core differentiator, and while a geographic information system, or GIS, is not required to get started with Enesgy Lease Manager, the software can be a great start towards building a GIS, or it can evolve to add those aspects at any stage. So, if you have a GIS, great! In addition to leases, you can look at assets, properties, utilities, but no GIS is needed to start. So let's take a look at Enesgy Lease Manager. Spreadsheets have been used for decades because they are flexible and a great way to sort or filter information. But if you load your data into Enesgy Lease Manager, as you move through the spreadsheet, you can see your properties all in one continuous map as opposed to going to one file at a time. For example, click on different leases and they will highlight on the map. Out of the box, Enesgy Lease Manager comes with over 170 pre-configured fields, and this can be tailored to meet your needs. For example, permitted uses, number of permitted options, insurance requirements, contact information, rentable versus leasable, square footage or acreage, tax IDs for parcels, amendments, late fees, rent terms, and so on. Filter on a specific lease ID and see a history of what that lease looked like over time. Here is the original lease, and we can see it was superseded by 3 amendments, and the lease actually grew over time. Alternatively, click on the map to see which different leases and tenants have existed at that location over time. Directly from the map, access basic lease information, and then, depending on how your permissions have been configured, you can view or edit a lease to see all of its details. Let's take a look. The app zooms to the lease and opens all of the fields. If you are looking for something in particular, you can search for that field. An individual lease feature can be related to unlimited numbers of rent records, options, insurance records, and even documents controlled and stored in your document management system. A robust workflow structure can be configured to support your business processes, requiring different people in the process to review and approve the parts related to them, while limiting their permissions to only the aspects they should see, edit, or manage. Enesgy Lease Manager is set apart from other lease management systems because it combines powerful GIS and workflows with document integration. Enesgy can link directly to documents stored in a document management system like SharePoint, where documents are managed and maintained. If you want to look at the environmental impact report, the insurance certificates, or the legal agreement, Enesgy brings you access to them directly from the map. Beyond browsing a spreadsheet or clicking on the map, you can also perform a keyword search to get lease and document information. So let's say you want to find all leases related to a particular tenant. Just type in the tenant's name and it will search for that in the lease details or in the document details. For example, the results here include 4 leases for that tenant with 8 associated documents. From the results, you can locate the leases on the map, view the lease abstract, get a document's description, or open the document directly from the results. Alternatively, you can perform a more sophisticated search that can combine a keyword search, a data field search, or a location search. For example, let's find all of the long-term leases. If we just click search, we will find that there are 183 leases with 65 associated documents. You can refine these results to just show leases in our area of interest by editing the search and adding a location. Now our results are much more narrowed down. You can even search for words in the actual context of the documents, such as the name of a specific contractor or project. If you're not sure exactly what you're looking for and want to simply explore what's there, You can browse by map extent to discover leases, documents, and all of their related information. Now, one of the main reasons to store your lease information in Enesgy Lease Manager is to see a holistic view of your lease portfolio. You can view current or available leases, and when a tenant leaves, the information on the map will update automatically. This way, you have a visual alert. It is possible to visualize your leases by any of the other fields, such as business type for economic reporting or monthly base rent for financial analysis. You can also visualize non-leasable parts of your portfolio, such as habitats or rights of way, because in the future the land may become leasable. In addition, Enesgy Lease Manager can be configured to send out email alerts to you or to your customers, such as when an option is up for renewal in 90 days, or an insurance certificate is about to expire. The holistic view extends beyond leases. If you have access to GIS data, they can be integrated here so you can see your utilities, boundaries, parcels, and everything else. Enesgy Lease Manager comes with a robust lease abstract report that will export the lease map and abstract details to a PDF, including links back to associated documents. Additional reports can be customized or configured. All this level of detail at your fingertips is great for the everyday work of managing your property portfolio. But Enesgy Lease Manager also comes with a configurable, high-level dashboard, perfect for presentations, top-down analysis, and summarizing your portfolio interactively. Look at your combined rent roll or subdivide it by lease type. Clearly see the different land uses in your portfolios and visualize occupancy rates. Enesgy Lease Manager is the next step for real estate and finance managers who want to move beyond spreadsheets and onto a flexible, economical, easy-to-learn, and quick-to-deploy tool that combines data, maps, and documents. For more information, you can contact us here.